What's going on, everybody? It's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel. So what I have behind me here is my new little workshop slash hobby room slash studio. It's hard to do the YouTube videos and you know, have a dedicated spot for that. And then anybody that's in the hobby knows that you get in the middle of working on these things and you lose your patience, or it's 2 a.m. and you need to sleep and you go to work tomorrow or whatever. You can't just walk away. You usually have to clean it all up. So it's nice to have your own allotted space for all these things. So today I'm going to show you my new workshop, and I'm also want to update you on some things that we're doing with the channel. So stick around. All right, welcome to the new workshop. So there we go. This will be my new little workshop. This is where I'll get all the YouTube videos done, all my RC car works, all that kind of stuff. So got my Buy It, Break It, Fix It banner over here, D&D Sports, Reefs RC. There's a sticker board over there with all the wonderful stickers from all the great channels. We got an RC Mart banner up here that needs to be cleaned. And then all my RC cars over here. Got the small little ones over there. That's the CFX W. This is the TRX4 kit that needs work. The 6x6, the Vanquish, Defender, Sport, Element. Two little, I have no idea what those even are, HBIs. The SEX24s, the Blazer, and the Lift. So, and then underneath there we got the Scale Garage with the Slash sitting on top of it. I got my old Cobalt workbench over here. I took the back of the pegboard off because it wouldn't fit over there, and I added that over here. So that's where the new pegboard went. Above it is a Traxxas banner. We're gonna add some more. I can't remember where I got this. I got this for Father's Day or something like that. It's a Suzuki clock. It has the neon that goes around it. Let me go ahead and turn that on and show you. I'm pretty sure my kids, I think my kids got this for me for Father's Day one year. Turn off the lights. There you go, Suzuki. It's because I have a Suzuki King Quad. So, and then they got the 3D printer down here. I got my battery charger, AC, entertainment. Got a refrigerator over here. And then a bunch of scale, there's spare parts and stuff down here. So it's getting there. It's not 100% done yet, but it's getting there. So it's a nice little room. It's nice to have temperature control in here. Hot summer nights, it gets all humid and everything, and it makes your patience go right out the window with RC. You get tired and start dropping screws because your hands get all sweaty and all that stuff. So. All right, see all these over here? 3D printing. Let me get comfortable and I'll tell you a little bit about that. I got a hold of 11Charlie RC. Now 11Charlie RC, if you don't know, he's a RC channel that does a lot of support for the veterans. So he does giveaways to veterans and all that to help, you know, with their PTSD and all that kind of stuff that the veterans have to deal with after they come back to regular civilian life. And I thank all of you that have done your time in the service. I really do thank you. I've never been in the service, and I thought about it when I was younger, and I guess maybe it would have been a good idea to go ahead and do, because it does provide a lot of different platforms for you as far as getting your money straight, getting on your feet, you know, and all that kind of stuff with life. But in the same sense, you go to war, you see things that you can never unsee, blah, blah, blah. So, anyway, with that being said, 11Charlie, great organization. They are an actual organization too. They're not just some YouTube channel. You know, they're more than that. They're an actual veteran donation organization. So if anybody ever wants to donate anything to any veterans involving RCs or anything like that, just get a hold of 11Charlie and he will make it happen. He's a really great guy, and really awesome thing that he does there for the veterans. So I came up with this idea. I got the new 3D printer. It's a Ender 3 Pro. So it prints a lot faster than my old 3D printer. So I figured, all right, let's try to do something for the veterans here. So I got a hold of 11Charlie and I said, hey, I got these little RC scale barrels that I printed off of Thingiverse. And I messaged the guy on Thingiverse and I said, hey, I had this idea. Is it okay if I use your design? You know, it's going to be put out on social media and all that kind of stuff. He was good to go and jumped right on board. He said, yes, no problem. Go ahead. So I got a hold of a couple RC channels. I wanted to kind of just do it a little small this time, just to trial run it and see how everything was going to go. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the RC channels that I did get a hold of, and what I'm going to do is I send 2 barrels and 2 jerry cans to each RC channel. 1 of each they keep, and 1 of each they need to paint in their style, however it may be, rusted, brand new, neon, whatever it may be. They paint it and then send it to 11Charlie RC, and then 11Charlie RC is just going to add these to each giveaway truck that he does. So he'll have a little stockpile of little scale things that he can add to a giveaway truck when he gives it away to a veteran. So that was my idea. It's just kind of my way of doing my part for 11Charlie RC. I have helped out STP before. It's another channel that I should have gotten a hold of him, Alan with STP. I've helped him out before, and he's in association with 11Charlie RC, so they both kind of are intermixed in the same association and the same thing. So a lot of guys have already gotten these, and a lot of guys have already painted them, so I'm a little late on getting this video out. Originally I was going to do something like a contest, and then we were going to do a voting online and all that stuff, and whoever had the most votes was going to get a little 3D printed accessory pack or something like that. But I decided to just not worry about any of that stuff. You know, we're all more than happy to pay it forward, especially when it comes to veterans. I mean, we wouldn't live the life we live right now if it wasn't for the people that serve for this country. So anybody out there that has served for this country, I thank you. I appreciate it. And like I said, I definitely appreciate the life that I can live here because of the sacrifices that you've made for us. So all right, let me get into it. Here's a list of the RC channels that I did get a hold of. Larry H. RMC RC Playground, Bullgear RC, KaneNine RC, RC VooDoo, Swampers RC, TJ's RC channel, and Fern Solo. Okay, so if you want to go check out all those channels, I'm not sure if they're going to do a video on what they've done with their barrel and all that kind of stuff. This has kind of been a little bit disorganized because a lot of stuff's been going on in my personal life, and then I started this and then more things started happening, so it's kind of on me as far as like being a little disorganized this time, but it's still getting done, and that's the main thing. Is 11Charlie will still have all these eventually. It's just it might not be blown up that much on social media, so no big deal. We're not doing it for the hype on social media. We're doing it to pay it forward for these veterans that need some way to either get out of the house or get their mind off of things, or you know, just help them along the way on the road to recovery. So if you want, I will put links to all the channels that are taking part in this down in the description, including 11Charlie RC, and go support their channels, because I mean, it's hard to do this stuff on YouTube. You know, it takes a lot of time, dedication, and it's just, you know, it's nice when people start supporting your channel. It's nice when we can all come together like this. I know I haven't had a lot of time to watch a lot of the videos of the people I'm subscribed to, and it happens, you know, life happens. So I've gotten slowly now, my time's coming back to me, so I've started hitting up my people that I regularly watch their videos and all that with. So that's about it. I guess I'll do another update on this once 11Charlie gets all of the barrels, and I'll do a little a little montage or collage of all the barrels and who did what with each barrel and how it turned out. That way everybody can see each individual style of each channel. So that's about it for me. I hope you like the workshop. I'm just going to keep doing more and more to it. It's pretty much insulated and all done. And like I said, it's to the point where I can't come in here and record videos now. So this is pretty nice. I'm digging it. I get a couple more little counters and some workspace set up, and it'll be really nice. I like it. So we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Remember to show support to these channels, and you know, be good to people and people be good to you, especially in this time with this pandemic going on still. Stay safe out there, wear your masks, do everything that they tell you to do. Well, to an extent. So I'm not getting into it. I'm not getting political on you. So, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Be good to people. People will be good to you. Ben is out.